This is Jacob Smith with the Texas Conservative Tea Party Coalition. We're calling with another important voter alert about incumbent Montgomery County Commissioner James Nowak. Nowak recently awarded the largest engineering contract in county history after he paid his largest campaign contributor $1.9 million of taxpayer money to develop plans for the Rayford Road overpass, a project that will not solve our county's congestion problems. The Texas Conservative Tea Party Coalition is paying for this call because we want you to know that at a time when conservative voters are saying no to cronyism, paybacks, and sweetheart deals in Washington, D.C., why should we tolerate the same thing here at home in Montgomery County? James Nowak has been in office for only 3 years, but in that short time, he has put taxpayers at risk with numerous discrimination complaints filed by his female employees, his record of abusive behavior against women, and his threats against his fellow Republican commissioners. Enough is enough. This Valentine's Day, say no to Nowak sweetheart deals. Please join us in saying no to Nowak. Let's send someone we can trust to Commissioner's Court. Business and community leader J. Mack Sanders. He will be a leader we can trust.